Saying kind things to yourself like, I can do this, or I am strong, can help you feel better and do better in school or tough situations. Scientists found that when kids say positive things about themselves, it helps their brains stay calm and focused. Repeat this positive affirmation. I can do hard things. I learn from my mistakes. I can stay calm and take deep breaths. I can try again if I don't get it right the first time. I am smart and full of ideas. Make it a great week.